Hi, I'm Rob, and in this video we're going to look at how diamond colour affects the appearance of a stone. When you're looking to buy a diamond, you may notice that the colour grade has quite an impact on the price. But what is diamond colour? Most diamonds have a hint of colour, otherwise known as a tinge, which is usually yellow or brown. The colour is not a measure of the quality of the diamond, but instead a measure of rarity. Unless you're considering a fancy colour diamond, the less colour a diamond has, the rarer it's considered to be. There have been diamond colour grading systems since the early 1700s, but today we use a standard that the GIA, or Gemological Institute of America, invented and developed in the 1950s. The colourless diamond scale starts with D as the highest grade and continues with increasing presence of colour to Z. D colour diamonds are considered colourless and are the rarest and most chemically pure, and therefore sell for a higher price. Z colour diamonds are light yellow or brown and will usually sell for a much lower price by comparison. When a diamond is being graded for its colour, it's given to a gemologist with a set of master stones to compare against. The diamond is positioned face down so the gemologist can evaluate the body colour without it being obscured by the brilliance of the diamond. Here is an H colour diamond in the face down position under diffuse lighting. You may be able to see a slight hint of yellow versus the white background. If we place a D colour diamond next to it, the difference will become a little bit more apparent. If we now look at the same two diamonds, but this time face up, you'll notice that it's much harder to see that difference. And now we've got 4 diamonds in the face down position. The D colour on the left, then an F, followed by H, and finally the J colour on the right. These diamonds have all been graded by the GIA. We can now start to see the range of colours as we go down the scale. Once again, if we view the F, H and J coloured diamonds from above, the difference is much harder to see. This is because the stones reflect white light back to the eye. Some shapes of diamond, like the emerald cut, show colour differences a little bit more prominently due to the nature of the facet arrangement. This is evident in the face-up position if the stones are examined carefully. Here is a D-coloured emerald diamond next to an H-coloured emerald-shaped diamond. The difference is just noticeable if you look carefully. Though the GIA colour grade of a diamond is a very good guide, it doesn't tell us everything. There is still a degree of variance within each colour grade that can make the difference to the appearance and price of a diamond. These two G-coloured diamonds are a good example of this. They are both GIA graded as being G colour, however the stone on the right is not quite as white as the stone on the left. As with all of the 4 Cs, diamond colour is very subjective. What may be right for one person may not be right for you. Some people find that lower grades like J, K and L are preferable as it adds a certain warmth to the stone. We've made plenty of engagement rings with this colour grade as the centre diamond, whilst others prefer the high colour grades for their purity. When you're buying a diamond, make sure that you take the time to view as many different colour grades as possible so that you can be sure you've made the right decision. If you have questions about colour grades or would like to view them on site, please get in touch, we'd be more than happy to help. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you in the next video.